Welcome to this video on proportional relationships and percentages. Students use ratios, scale factors, unit rates, also called the constant of proportionality, and proportional relationships to solve multi-step real-world problems that involve fractions and percentages. Here are the essential vocabulary words that will be introduced in the unit: measurement error, percentage decrease, percentage increase, and repeating decimal. Students will be learning about proportional relationships that involve fractions and decimals. For example, a baker decides to start using 1/6 less than the amount of sugar called for in each recipe. If the recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar, the baker will leave out 1/6 times 2, or 1/3 cups of sugar. That means the baker will only use 1 2/3 cups of sugar. The amount of sugar the baker actually uses, Y, is proportional to the amount of sugar called for in the recipe X. The constant proportionality is 5/6. Another way to write this equation is Y equals 0.83x with a repeating bar over the 3. The line above the 3 tells us that if we use long division to divide 5 divided by 6, we will keep getting the answer 3 over and over. This is an example of repeating decimal. Students will be learning to describe increases and decreases as a percentage of the starting amount. For example, 2 different school clubs can gain the same number of students but have different percentage increases. The cooking club had 50 students, then they gained 6 students. This is a 12% increase because 6 divided by 50 equals 0.12. They now have 56 students, which is 112% of the starting amount. 1.12 times 50 equals 56. The computer club has 8 students. Then they gain 6 students. This is a 75% increase because 6 divided by 8 is 0.75. They now have 14 students, which is 175% of the starting amount. 1.75 times 8 equals 14. Students will be learning about real-world situations that use percent increase and percent decrease, such as tax, interest, markup, and discount. For example, the price tag on a jacket says $24. The customer must pay sales tax equal to 7.5% of the price. What is the total cost of the jacket, including tax? The customer will pay 107.5% of the price listed on the tag, which is $25.80. Students will be able to find percentage. For example, a backpack originally cost $22.50, but is on sale for $18.99. The discount is what percent of the original price? The sale price is 84.4% of the original price. The discount is $100 minus $84.40, or 15.6% of the original price.